up, you guys? It's Jason with RPM. Today we're out here filming. Give you some sound clips of the RPM dual sport muffler. This is a fan favorite for the Pro Rs. Not quite on our loudest level, not quite on the quietest level. So really deep, sporty tone. Compared to stock, at idle, it's only a few decibels louder. You know, 3,500 and 5,000 RPMs, definitely louder than the stock one, but not ear-ringing loud like you see on a lot of mufflers. And we do have a louder version of this, and we have an even louder version of this. So this is the dual sport 3-inch tip. Of course, we're sporting the RPM rear fascia, and of course, we've got it paired up to the RPM header. Again, that's another fan favorite. Our header kind of proven over and over again to be one of the very few to make actual horsepower gains where horsepower is usable on the Pro R. These naturally aspirated motors are a whole different animal. So this is that muffler, and these are the sound clips. Let's get to it.